it's Diana. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm excited to show you the colors from the 2023 Advent Calendar by CN Designer Dips. It includes a total of 6 dip powders, which are glows, thermal, and sun changers. There's also 18 solids and glitters. The retail value of 24 dip powders in size 0.25 ounce retails at $186, and for a 1 teaspoon sample size, it retails at $114 USD. There is a day 25 surprise gift retailed at $8.50. Your cost for the 0.250 ounce is $135, and for the 1 teaspoon, it comes out to $99. Both Advent calendars ships free. As you can see, the value is just incredible. The Advent calendars are no longer available for purchase. I'm hoping that this video will help you decide if you want to pick up the Advent calendar next year. The colors are gorgeous. The powders are such a dream to work with, and all the colors you can use year-round. We're going to unbox the calendar together, and then I will insert swatches right at the end. For the remainder of this video, I am going to just let you watch.